superhero.
Now spin. Right, Laura, what can we get you to do? Can you run to your bed? And then, can you run over to your mirror? And then, can you run to your doll's house? Can you open your doll's house? Wow. Can you run and get a teddy bear, then run back to your doll's house? Oops. You want to put your cape back on?
No, I don't.
Okay. And run back over there to your doll's house.
Dad. Teddy. Teddy.
And then, can you run to your kitchen and get a cup? Make a drink, because thirsty work. Drink your drink in front of the camera. And then put your drink on the table. There you go. And then go in the middle of the room. Stand in the middle of the room, right? Stand there, turn round. And then I want you to do a big jump and fly in the air with your arms up. Oh!